Hey everyone, this is Dave Erickson on assignment once again the day before the 2012 Ironman Lake Placid, and behind me the famous Olympic speed skating oval, which also serves as T1 and T2. Approximately 2,500 athletes are competing this Sunday in this 14th annual event, which is July 22nd. And what you're seeing right now is the final preparations for the athletes. What they're doing here is this is the mandatory bike and gear check-in, and they have to have this all done before 3 o'clock. So here's a behind-the-scenes look at that process.
Ma'am, you can come right on up through here. Sir, you can stay on that outside lane.
Good to go.
Be sure to check out Ironman.com on race day Sunday, July 22nd for live text updates, photos, and my video on demand. That's Ironman.com. Until next time, this is Dave Erickson on assignment at the 2012 Ironman Lake Placid.